welcome back to my channel. I have a very exciting video. So I placed an order through Skims. For those that don't mind that plane, I don't even live near an airport, so I'm not even sure where that came from. Anyways, so I placed an order through skims.com, which is Kim Kardashian's shapewear and now cotton clothing range. So I looked on my email, I think it was, yeah, just under 2 weeks ago. So tomorrow would have been 2 weeks since I placed the order. I didn't wake up at 4 AM or a crazy time in the morning to order. I just thought if it's not in stock, I'm just not gonna bother. I wasn't really like, oh my God, I need this in my life. But if it was there in my size and in the stuff that I wanted, I would have just placed an order. So I placed an order the next morning that the cotton collection released at like 9 or 10 o'clock when I remembered. I saw her post on Instagram and I was like, oh shit, I forgot. So yeah, I did order a few things. Some of the stuff that I did want to try was out of stock. Every single time I've been on their website, like it's just everything is out of stock in like every color. But I was really surprised to have gotten some of her new cotton collection. And I also did get a, well, it's not really like a shapewear thing, but I did get like a bandeau bra. You've seen me wear them in my try-on hauls. I just find that bandeau bras without any padding is the most flattering because I don't really need that extra padding. I just need the support. And I love that this one's seamless. So I have taken them out of the package. It basically just came in this box, regular box with this, and they all just came individually wrapped, and that's literally like it. I think it also came with like a poster from her campaign like inside it, but that's literally all. So I ordered 5 things. So I'm just going to share with you guys what I got and give you guys a review. I just want to say that this color is life right now. I'm obsessed with like a slate bluey gray color. I just can't get enough of it. So I ended up spending quite a bit of money actually. $321 US. The downside about this, I guess it is quite expensive, but she thinks that this is one of the highest quality shapewear out there. So let's put that to the test. They do have a little returns thing. You just got to go to a website and then, yeah, you can return stuff that don't fit or whatever you don't like. So yeah, let's go ahead and try on the first set. This is the cotton padded bra in Kyanite, and I ordered 34D. I just think that my bandeau that I got from Macy's is a 34, so I just thought this would be the same. It is on the second last, what's that called? I could probably put it on the last, but bras kind of do stretch over time. I probably would prefer a size down, just so when it does sort of loosen up, I do have a few more notches that I can tighten it with, but that's pretty much on the tightest. It is still quite loose. I don't know, we'll see how it goes, but I just think that the cup size is wrong. So I did get a D, and it just depends on, I guess, what I order. I just don't like when my boobs are popping out the side and like here. See how you can see? I would rather more coverage come across my boob, and also I guess like on the side a little bit, like this just maybe needs to come up a little bit more. So maybe that's why I think I may need a double D. This is what the back looks like. I actually am quite happy with this. It's just the cup size. So I might even get a 32 double D. Yeah, I might exchange this for a double D just because I would, yeah, I just would prefer an extra little bit of material here. But overall, it's really comfortable. I wouldn't say it's like a silky material. It's definitely like a cotton like feeling. And it does give you like quite a bit of support. Yeah, I actually really like this bra. So yeah, I'm gonna definitely get a double D at this. And then I got some briefs. Oh my God, that guy's back again. Nah. What are the fucking chances of him being at the pool again? This is just not the best haul, is it? When I'm fucking half naked. Okay, he's gone, thank God. I had to get the matching cotton, they're like G-strings, but with undies, I don't really like thin strap, so I do like that extra little bit of material, especially on the front. And then the back looks like this. I did end up getting a size medium. I'll always go up a size in underwear, just so they're not restricting and they just kind of sit really nicely on my body. So let's try these on and see how they go. I also got these in a bone color as well that I can wear underneath my tights to the gym. Okay, so I zoomed you guys down on an angle. These are the undies. It just, like, there's literally just enough material to fit my badge. But I'm not gonna spin around, but it is like a G-string cut at the back. They do feel really, really nice. I wouldn't say they're like completely seamless. I'm just kind of comparing them to my cotton on body ones that I get for the gym. I probably would prefer if they went up a little bit higher, because I usually like wearing undies like just underneath my belly button, but they are still really, really nice and comfortable. So yeah, as I said before, I probably would have preferred a little bit more material if it just came just underneath the belly button, just because I just like to have material over my little pouch. But that's just my personal preference in undies anyways. But I do love the color, and yeah, they fit really nice and they're flattering, so that's all that really matters. But yeah, how freaking gorgeous is this color? I'm obsessed. The prices aren't actually on this piece of paper, but I'll make sure I leave them on the screen for you guys just for reference. But I ended up getting the same color tank. This one's in an extra small. I just thought that this sort of like top would stretch and give, and I don't think they had a size small. They only had a medium or an extra small, so I just decided to get an extra small. So I'll take my bra off and I'll see if it is see-through. So yeah, I'll put this on now. Oh my god, I'm so freaking happy I got a size extra small. As I said before, there's only a medium and an extra small on the website, but it is that material that will stretch to your body. Like, it won't like dig in if it's too small. So this is the tank in the same color. I think it was called Kyanite or something like that, in an extra small, and I love how it is not see-through in the slightest. I love basic singlet tops like this. In summer, you can wear them with a skirt, you can wear them with denim shorts, or you can wear them with some jeans. Like, I just love this kind of basic top, and I love how it's not like super cropped. I like how there's like a little bit more material there, so if you did want to wear like a high-waisted skirt or pants, like, you wouldn't be showing too much skin, or unless you like hitch it up. But I love this. I would definitely wear this to like the gym, but I don't want to ruin it with all my sweat. I think I might actually order a couple more of these in the same size but different colors. So they've got, I think they've got like a khaki, a bone, and they've got like a pastel, like a lilac-y purple, which would look really cute. I think I was meaning to order that one, but it was out of stock in my size. So I'll jump on after this and see if they have any. But oh my god, I love this. This is what the back looks like. So they have their little Skims logo here. One thing I love about Skims is that the branding is not in your face. I hate in your face branding. Like, the little basic logos is what draws me to clothes. I just love that basic, like, no logo look. So yeah, I'll definitely be ordering some more of these because they are cute as fuck. Oh my god, I love this. Ooh. Can't return it now. Oh my god, I love this so much. So as I said at the start of my video, I have something like this that I got from Macy's in the US. So I'm not even sure what the brand is. I ripped all the tags off and all like the tags on the inside. But for me personally, when I'm wearing a strapless bra, I don't want extra padding. So as I said before, when I'm wearing an outfit or wearing a top and I need a strapless bra underneath it, I hate strapless bras with a passion. I hate when they're like overhanging here, they dig in on the side. So I've always been like a bandeau type of girl. This material is a dream. It like doesn't even feel like I'm wearing anything. It's super supportive. I did get a medium in this just because I was a little bit scared that the small might be a little bit too restrictive because I don't have the smallest of boobs. So medium is like the perfect fit for my chest size. So the back just looks like this. I've got the bone undies on as well, which I'll show you. But yeah, that's just what I would literally just wear this like around the house, like underneath my t-shirts. Even when I'm sleeping, I wear a crop, a gym top, a bandeau. I wear something to support my boobs. I just don't like my boobs like going all over the place. It's just, I don't know. I just feel better when they're like supported. So yeah, I really love this. So for those that have always messaged me asking about my nude bandeau, here's one that you can get. Hopefully they have them in your size. But I was very surprised that this was still available because the majority of her shapewear was sold out when I went on the website. But I think I might order this in a black as well, or I'll have a look at the other colors that she has, but it's so freaking comfortable. I'm so glad I ended up getting this. And then I'll just show you my bone colored briefs, and that's actually all that I picked up. Okay, so these are the same undies, but in the color bone. I wouldn't say it's completely white or cream. It's just like, I don't know, I can't even explain the color. On camera, it probably looks white. It just looks like an off, it's got like a greeny tinge to it. It's really weird, but it's actually, yeah, it's obviously the exact same fit as the other ones. Really comfortable. I just wish that she came out with briefs that were a little bit higher, because I'll be getting them for sure. Once again, it's like in a thong. I'm not going to show you the back, but yeah, that is everything that I got from Skims. I hope you guys enjoyed this little review and helped some of you out. I will leave all the links to everything that I got in the description box, as well as my size and the price. No, this video is not sponsored. I literally just bought this because I just loved the way it looked. Unfortunately, I don't have a discount code. I didn't use a discount code when I made my order because I couldn't find any anywhere. I just don't think the Kardashians do discount codes, because honestly, why would they need a discount code? Like, people are just gonna buy it regardless. Anyways, if you want to see more videos like this, I might even do another video if I can get my hands on some of her shapewear. If you guys are interested in seeing that, I'll definitely order some and review, because I did really want the bike short shapewear that goes like underneath the boobs and it goes down to the knees. I really wanted just to try. I've never really been into shapewear, just because one, I probably can't even find the right size for me, and two, the ones that I have bought just weren't flattering. Like, my fat just like hung out everywhere, and it just defeated the purpose of the shapewear. So I've just never really been into wearing shapewear. I've just always thought my body looks better without it. I'm not sure, but I'll definitely have to get my hands on some when I can. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next one. Bye. Yes, I did.